The National Development and Reform Commission has already approved 5 new lines for the China Railway Corporation and is considering 33 new projects. With that kind of aggressive growth of China's railways, the Railway Corporation may approach their record budget set in 2010. The China Railway Corporation has increased this year's construction budget for the 3rd time to now 800 billion yuan, or $128 billion at today's exchange. China Railway Corporation originally planned to spend 630 billion yuan, then over less than 5 months it increased the figure to 700 billion yuan, then 720 billion yuan. Such a large increase in a short period is rare for the country's railroad system and might be related to slower economic growth. And this move will be a stimulus through a number of industries, especially the state-run steel industry. The upper limit is not strict, the CRC said. It might change the plan again this year to exceed the record 842.7 billion yuan set in 2010, equal to $135 billion. The China Railway Corporation has, as of the end of last year, $748 billion in total assets. China continues to advance the high-speed train technology and has 2 operating designs that have been tested to travel at over 300 miles per hour.